This animation was made using 2D illustrations to save on cost and to meet a tight deadline. First, I was to show an overview of the proposed welding station and the positions of the lasers. Then I should show a stylized animation of the manual assembly sequence, loading the separate parts into the positioning jig ready for automatic welding. The laser welding station proposal should contain 3 separate lasers. First, laser 1 was to cut a fissure in the supporting structure of the instrument panel to make the weakened areas for the airbag to break through in a controlled fashion. Then, laser 2 cuts completely through the instrument panel, creating precise holes for the air vents and trimming the instrument panel to the final shape. Laser 2 then goes on, now with less power, to weld the air vent channel to the underside of the instrument panel. Laser 1 then cuts a series of holes between the reinforcing fibres, nearly to the surface of the outer skin, creating the hinge, made of these fibres, for the airbag opening. The depth of cut was to be controlled by a sensor which would shut laser 1 off at a predetermined distance from the outer surface. Laser 3 then engraves the airbag logo into the moulded skin of the instrument panel. The completed instrument panel assembly is then manually removed from the jig and placed into a shipping container.